So hello everyone, this is Rakshit Raj, and today we are discussing the LeetCode question number 1662, that is, check if two string arrays are equivalent. So the question here is, given two string arrays word1 and word2, return true if the two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. A string is represented by an array if the array element concatenated in order forms the string. So what the question wants to convey here, that we have been given two arrays which consist of strings, and we have to check that if both of the arrays consist of same strings or not. You have to match the strings, and we have to find that if it is same or not. We can see in the example number 1 here that the word1 array consists of AB string and C string, and in the second array, that is word2, there is another string A and string BC. If we check, then we can see that the A string the A string is matching from the A string here. The BC string here is matching from the BC string in the other array. So we are returning true in this example. Again, in the example number 2, we have seen that it is A, C and B. Here A, B and C. We can see the first string matches here, but the second string, that is C, and in the first array is not matching with the second string, that is B, in the second array. So we have written false here. So how can we do this question here? We can think of an approach where first of all we'll store the values of the array and all the values of the array and concatenate it in a variable. We'll have a variable and we'll concatenate all the values of the array, and since we have two arrays, we'll have two variables, and we'll concatenate all the values in both of the respected arrays, and at last we'll check that if the values of the both of the variables that in which we have concatenated all the strings in the arrays is matching or not. So let's move on to the code part here. First of all, we'll declare two variables in which we'll store the concatenated value of all the strings. So string, let's say s1, make it empty, again we will declare another string s2 to store the another word. Now we will have a for loop here which will iterate to the values of the string. So we'll write string str is to word1, and we'll just concatenate all the values of all the values that is in present word in the word1 in str and s1, sorry. So yeah, that is for the first array, and for the second array we'll have another for loop which will store the values of word2 and into the variable s2, and at last we have to check if s1 is equal to s2 or not. If yes, return true, else return false. And yes, that is all for the code part here. Let's see if it passes all the test cases. And yes, it passes all the test cases here. Now we'll submit this question, and it is correct here. So that was all for this question. Thank you.